My name is Aditya Tiwari from class 11th A. I made a game that is Pac-Man with the help of Python language, and I used Spider IDE for making this game. Now here are the codes of this game. In this game, there is a yellow ball whose name is Pac-Man, and it eats small white balls. Through that, we get more points in this game. But if while eating white balls, Pac-Man gets caught by the ghost of this game, then the game will end. Now, to start the game, we need to press enter, and after pressing that enter, the game will automatically start. As I already told you, that while eating the white balls, our score will increase. And once the ghost catches the Pac-Man, the game will end. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Prami Rastel. I've made a game using Python. My game name is Tic-Tac-Toe. So now let's have a look at it. First I am defining a function to draw the table on the screen. After it, I am defining a function for the game instruction. Now I am defining a function to check whether the entered input is valid or not. And at last I am defining functions to check whether a player is satisfying the winning criteria or not. And then we are entering the main game loop. Now here is a short game clip.
So I tried different software to record the game, but most of them slowed down the game. This one didn't slow down the game, but it was not able to get the in-game sounds. So I was not able to record in this, but this is the actual visual appeal of the game. Now the programming of the game is very simple. The bird has been animated using 3 different images which are on loop. This is the bird with down flap which is used. Then the bird goes to mid flap, and then its flap goes up. So using 3 images, the bird has been animated. Now playing the game is very simple. This is the image that the player gets when the game gets over. This has been made using 3 images: the background image, the game over image, and one more message. Now to play the game, the player has to press the space bar to make the bird fly and also to restart the game. Now every time the bird will go too down or too high, the game will automatically end. Now here it looked like it hit the pipe. So to demonstrate this, I am changing the distance between the pipes from 300 to 700. This will bring all the pipes at the bottom of the screen. So now I can fly over that and demonstrate it. One more thing that I would like to demonstrate with this is the change in background. Now all the pipes are at the bottom of the screen and I can demonstrate it. Now one more thing that I'm going to show is that every time I reach a score of 20, it will change the background from day to night as shown. So it is changing from day background, which has red pipes, yellow bird and a day background, to green pipes, blue bird and a night background. Now apart from the alteration in background, there is high score and score. So right now at the top of the screen, the score is increasing. Now I'm going to score as high as I can to set a high score. So now my score and high score both are 23, but as I will restart the game and score less than that, the high score will not get changed, but the score has changed to 5.
morning everyone. Today I, Tanesh Sethi of class 11th A, would like to present my Python game project. The game which I have created is commonly called Tetris. It is a well-known classic game. I have created this game using the Spider IDE and the Pygame module for Python, which is commonly used for making games in Python. Here we can see the code for the game. First, we have the code for the main layout of the game and the dimensions for the play area. The game has different kinds of blocks in the shape of S, Z, I, L, T and square, which fall from above, and we have to arrange them to complete the line. And once a line is completed, it disappears, making room for other blocks. And if the block touches the upper part of the play area, the game ends, and the text appears on the screen stating that we have lost the game. Now let's check the final result of the game. We can see that by pressing the F5 key or clicking the run button. As I told earlier, if a line is completely filled, it disappears, making room for other blocks. Since the blocks have touched the upper part of the play area, the game ends, and the game restarts because of the looping in the game code.
Hello everyone, I am Saksham Joshi of class 11th A and I have made a game, Platformer, using Python software. I have used the basic Python coding to make this game. In this game, there is a player character who jumps over the platforms and collects points to reach its destination. I have used the Pygame module to make this game.
Good morning everyone. Today I, Aditya Kumar, will be showing my project on Python game development.
So I have created a Dino Run game.
And this is the game folder which contains the main Python file and the data file. It has all the images and the audio files. This is the code of the game. Here I have used three modules: OS module, random and the Pygame module. The OS module has been used to interact with the files in the data folder, and the random module is used for generating the random coordinates for the obstacles in the game. And the Pygame module has been used to display the elements in the game. Now let me run this game. The controls are a space for jumping and down arrow key for sneaking. On every checkpoint, the speed of the dinosaur will increase. As you can see, I have lost the game and the high score is displayed here.
Good morning. Today I, Arpit Singh, student of class 12th A, is going to show my presentation about Python project. So let me just show you my presentation. This is the presentation that I have created on Python. As you can see, we are given with topic Python game development. I have created Drive Safely game. The following, which you can see, is the code for the game written. This is also the code. This is output for the game that I have done. I can also show you the live presentation of that output. On the above screen you can see is the code that I have shown you previously. So first I will tell you how our car runs and at what direction. To move the car we have to press left key towards left and right key to move right. These are the details for background and enemy car. In this code we have also used import random, import pygame function. So let's run and check how it works. On pressing left it goes left, and on pressing right it goes right. So this is all about my presentation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ayudesh Kumar. I am in class 12 of Jesus Mary Joseph Senior Secondary School. I am here to show my Python game development project. Here you can see my project presentation, and the title of my game project is Tank War. These are my programming codes. This is my programming code output. Now, let's play this game. In this code, I have used Pygame and random module. I have used Pygame to display the tanks and other animations, and I have used the random module to randomly generate the position of the computer tank and its range of firing. Let's run this program. Before playing, let's see the controls. For firing, press spacebar. To adjust the angle of turret, press up and down arrow keys. To move tank, press left and right arrow keys. Press P for pausing the game, and press D to raise power percentage, and press A to lower power percentage.
Hello everyone, I am Ridla Kapoor and today I am going to present a game which is developed using Python programming language. The topic of my game is Battleship. So this is the code for our game Battleship. In this we have to prevent the enemy from entering the castle by shooting them. When we miss the shot, the health bar becomes lighter red. When the health bar becomes full red, we lose the game.
everyone, my name is Shivansh from class 12th. I have made a game using Python. The name of the game is Snake and Ladder. So let's have a look on it. Firstly, I'm importing the modules which I'm going to use, that is Pygame module, random module and math module. Then I'm initiating the Pygame module and then I'm setting the background screen dimension and then placing all other images over it. Then from the board image I am assigning the coordinates of the snake and the ladder so that when they are encountered, the player pawn's coordinate changes respectively. Then I have defined some variables and some functions. Then we are entering the main game loop. If the player 1 clicks on the board, a random number is generated and the player pawn is moved those number of steps, and same for player 2 also.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I, Tanisha of class 12A, is going to present my project on Python game development, and the topic of my project is bomb game. So let us see the code and working of my.
Over here, I have imported two types of Python libraries. First is Pygame, which makes our work easier for making video games and all, and the second one is Turtle, which helps us to add colors and give commands like moving a ball, etc. First, we will design the screen, and then we will design left paddle, right paddle, and the ball. Then we will make the scoreboard and give command for making our left paddle and right paddle moving. Then we will assign keys to play, and finally giving command for making our ball move. Now let us see some output screenshots. It would be more clear to you by playing the game.
Let's play the game now.
So we can see our game is working successfully.
So this was all my presentation on bomb game. Thank you so much for